Here's For Real AI Voice Messages app, and just a quick overview for you to get started. So this app is very similar to NGL Not Gonna Lie app. Just in case you used it, exactly the same. Just here you send in voice messages, not text messages. For people who didn't use it, here's the concept. So you just create your own link, which you can just share on Instagram story or wherever. You can also just copy that link and use it on Snapchat, for example. Then friends visit that link on your Instagram story or wherever, and then they can create anonymous voice messages using AI, featuring some celebrity filters. So these messages will be anonymous. You not gonna know which friends sent you these messages, and then you just get responses on this app, and then you just guess who sent you this message. So yeah, just open up the app. Here's what you have on the first screen. You can just easily create your account by entering Instagram username. You have access to that Instagram account. Just create that Instagram. Just enter that Instagram username, and then that's it. You don't need to sign up with Apple ID, with Google, whatever. Then you just have your unique link generated, and then you can just copy your link. And then you can just share it on Instagram. So you need to have Instagram app opened, and then you can just press the sticker button in the Instagram, paste your link, and then share it. So let's just do it together. So here is Instagram. I tap on the sticker, I tap on the link, I just paste the link here. I just frame it so it looks nicer, and then I can just share it on my story or to my close friends, whatever you're using on Instagram. And just open it and imagine these are your friends checking out your story on Instagram. So hey, wow, cool. And then they can just visit the link, and here what your friends will see. They will open this page, and at the moment there are 6 filters. So you can sound like Drake, Weeknd, Selena Gomez, Ice Spice, Billie Eilish, Kim Kardashian, and then you can sound something like that, and then just enter some message. There is like 200 character limit in that message, and then you can just tap create voice message. Then you can listen it.
Hi there.
And this is a message. It will sound just depending which filter you selected, like either Kim Kardashian, Drake, whatever. And then, what happens then in this app, in inbox, I will receive this message. So for example, these are the messages I received before.
Hi, I like you. Hi, I like you.
Yeah, and that's what you will receive. If you don't like it, you can delete or block it or report. You can also just go and create a reply on Instagram. Then if you want to reveal who sent you this, that's where you just need to upgrade to Platinum. That's how you upgrade to FR Platinum, to reveal sender, and that's where you can get some hints. I don't know which kind of hints you get. Usually on NGL app, you got hints like city or phone model, like someone from Amsterdam, someone from, like Chicago on using iPhone just sent you anonymous voice message. Something like that. I'm not sure. And then, to get this kind of hints and to get you closer to understand who sent you this message, you just need to upgrade for this weekly subscription, which is like $7 per week. So that's basically the process, how it looks like. There you have it. And that's the app. If you want to, remove your account or change your link, just tap on settings and delete your account. Be careful here. If you delete your account, you will just remove all your messages from inbox. And then, you just have those. So try out this app. It's available on Android as well. And have fun with your friends.